Assalamualaikum. My name is Noor Aiman and I'm from CS2514A. And for now, I will present my IoT mini project, which is server room monitoring system. And this system will record and send the temperature, humidity, flammable gas, fire detection to the Blink server so that it can be displayed on the Blink mobile application. And this monitoring system will also alert the user if there are any value lower or beyond the recommended value of the temperature and humidity. And any flammable gas and fire detection will also alert the user by the Blink application notification. And for circuit design, the system will use ESP32 as microcontroller. The HT22 sensor is to get the temperature and humidity. MQ2 gas sensor is to detect any flammable gas in the environment. IR flame fire sensor is to detect any fire or flame. And buzzer is to make a noise or to alert the persons. And this system will also use a small electronic components such as transistor. Transistor is used to amplify the power to the buzzer, and it also use diode is used to provide safe path for the inductive current or when the buzzer is off so that the voltage does not rise and damage the circuit. Okay, the system use the library of Wi-Fi, Blink, and DHT. Okay, for this coding, this is for the out token for the Blink app. You can get from the Blink app applications, and this is for the Wi-Fi credential, which is SSID, its Wi-Fi name and password. Okay, and this is variable for the HT22. You use pin 2, and the type is the HT22. Okay, and this is for the MQ2. You use pin 32, and infrared IL it use pin 33, and for the buzzer it use pin 18. Okay, let's go forward to the setups functions. So here they set the gas detector and a fire detector as the input and the buzzer as the output. Okay, and this is where Blink begins its authentication, which is using the tokens, and SSID, and pass is using the Wi-Fi SSID. Okay, so this to begin is where the temperature and humidity sensor start. Okay, and for this, actually this delay is for warming up the sensor, which is MQ2 sensor gas, DHT22, and IR flame sensor. It take at least 3 minutes to make sure the reading is correct. Okay, and for this timer, we set the interval for the to send the temperature and humidity is every 1 seconds, and to send the flammable gas detection is every 0.5 seconds, and it's also same for fire detection, which is 0.5 seconds. Okay, let's move forward to send gas function. This function is actually to send the reading from the MQ2 sensor, which is to read any gas present in the environment that is flammable gas. So it will detect by reading the value. If it is less than 1500, then there's no gas present in the environment. So it will say that no gas, and it'll turn off the buzzer. Uh, Otherwise, that if the value is more than 1500, then say that gas is detected, and will send the alert notification on the mobile application, and also will turn on the buzzer. Okay, this is detect fire, which is it is to detect any fire in the environments. So this is to read the analog signal of from IR sensor. And so basically, if there's any fire in the environments, the analog signal will not remain 4095. It will be less or more. So then, if the fire is detected, it will say that fire detected, sent to the virtual pin 3, and it will also send the alert notification in the mobile applications, and it will also turn on the buzzer. And otherwise, it says no fire, and it'll turn off the buzzer. Okay, we are finally on the last function, which is send time humid function. This function is basically to read and send the humidity and temperature value from the sensor to the Blink app. Okay. This variable is to read the humidity value from the sensor, and this variable is to read the temperature value. Okay. This condition is to check whether the value of humidity or temperature is not a number. Okay. If it's not a number, if this condition is true, it will say that the sensor is not working at all, and it will say that and will send dash value to the visual pin 0 and 1, and to the visual pin 10 it will say that since it's not working at all, and this it will set the text color to the red. Okay, otherwise it will send the value of temperature and humidity, which is visual pin 0 and 1. Okay, and this condition is to check whether the temperature is suitable or not. So let's say temperature is less than 18 or more than 27, it says that to the virtual pins 10, it says that the temperature is not suitable at all. And this will set the text color to the red, and will turn on the buzzer, and will also send the alert notification in the mobile application. Otherwise, it say to the visual pin 10, it will say okay, and the text color will change to the green. Okay, and for this is to turn off the buzzer. This is condition is to check whether the humidity is suitable or not. If the humidity is less than 40 or more than 60, then it will send to the visual pin 0, that visual pin 10 will says that the humidity is not suitable for the server room, and we will set the text color to the red, and we'll turn on the buzzer, and we will also will send the alert notification in the mobile application. Otherwise, it said okay, and the text color will be green, and will turn off the buzzer. In conclusion, the server room monitoring system is working as what I planned, and the use of Blink mobile application make it easier to display all the data and alert the user in case user is not around the location. And the data from the sensor will be displayed in real time on the Blink app, Blink mobile application, such as the temperature, humidity, fire detection, and gas detection. And will send the alert notification if there is any fire detected or any flammable gas detected or in the server room.